Hello everyone! Today I thought it would be fun to unbox the mystery diamond art kit from Diamond Art Club. So they come out with these mystery kits and they'll be themed. I believe this time around one was floral, there was fantasy, which I got the fantasy one, and I can't recall the third. But they do tell you the artist, so you can kind of get an idea of what you might be getting into. If you have not looked at this or you're buying it or anything, big spoiler alert, please don't watch ahead if you want it to be a surprise to you. But for those who are curious what's in that mystery one, I'm going to give you a peek. So here it is, the mystery kit. It's by Mystic Art Mirrors. This is a 20-inch by 28-inch, and it's a square one, so it is going to be a doozy, that is for sure. I'm going to take the plastic off and I'll pull everything out in just a second. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with Diamond Art Club, they do have a full explanation of what you can get in the box. They even talk about their method of doing it. Everyone has their own way. So let's pop this thing out. It's so big. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Love how they put this. So, thanks for purchasing one of our mystery kits. That's really cute. Okay. So, now here is the sticker when organizing my stashed kit. It does come with a toolkit, like always. I'll pop it open just for those of you not familiar. You get a toolkit with every painting, so eventually you'll have a nice little stash of goodies. One thing I've noticed is you get like kind of a few extra new things every time. So like my last kit had a green little doodad. This time I have a clear with a pink finger rest that doesn't want to go on there. Okay. Ooh. And the magnet this time is, you get a magnet holder for your plastic. I got a really pretty rose on my last one, and this is all glittery. I love that you get this little heart-shaped holder for all your waxes. You get a tray in every single one. This one came with a washi tape. I can't remember if my last one did. Tweezers, and then baggies for your extras. Basically, you're going to end up with like tons of supplies, but that's okay because these little doodads get lost like all the live long day. So keep that in mind. Okay, put that off to the side. All right. So what is the mystery kit from Mystic Art Mirrors? I've avoided looking at myself because I was waiting for mine to show up. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Look at all those beads. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, diamonds. Oh, I think I can tell. I like that how they print these in black and white just so it stays a mystery. Like, see, right here, it's even a mystery to this day. Like, normally you would have the picture of what this is supposed to look like, but they want it black and white so that you are going to see it come alive. So I am going to be working on this over the next couple weeks. I am looking at it. Ooh, and it's hard to say what it is. Oh, I see fishies. I can kind of make out a fishy. So it's probably like a mermaid one maybe. I don't know. But I just wanted to show you what a mystery kit looks like. And like I said, I'm going to be starting on this one ASAP because I find this one like really exciting. Normally they're all colored. You can see the picture, and this one it's like, what is this gonna be? Like, where are all those colors gonna go? So yes, that is the mystery kit. I will leave a link to Diamond Art Club in the description below. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. And as always, it just helps support my channel. If you got the mystery fantasy one from Mystic Art Mirrors and you've already started it, let me know if you're enjoying it. Don't spoil the colors or anything for anyone below. But just let me know if you're enjoying how it's turning out. This will be the first square one I've ever done, so I'm pretty excited about that. So until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.